Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. I'm here on behalf of Easy Profit 100. Just want to show you another payment that came in the mail from Easy Profit 100. As you can see, that's dated January 9th. Here is the check to me from the Rayburn Group, TRG. It comes in those envelopes. Check is dated 1/8, and there's another $100 from Easy Profit 100, guys. So get involved with this program. It's only a one-time $149 to get started. No monthly fees, and they pay you $100 every time someone joins this program, the direct mail program. This is a 7-year solid program that's been around, and I've been in it. It will be 3 years in February of 2018. Okay, Easy Profit 100 continues to pay over and over. $100, guys. Get started. Call me if you have any questions. I look forward to you joining my team. Have a blessed day.